Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USDJPY, US dollar Japanese yen for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex market analysis for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of USDJPY in front of us right now. And as we all know that USDJPY is in very strong uptrend for the last couple of days. There is no doubt about it. Yes, there was some retracement here, and if you have watched my previous videos, then hopefully you made good money for the last week and for that previous week also, because our analysis on USDJPY has been going quite well. Anyways, let's see what should be our strategy for Monday. Okay, so if we just look at the chart here, then there should not be any doubt that this market is in strong uptrend. And as we all know, the thumb rule of the market, the basic rule of the market is follow the trend. It means that if a market is in uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is in downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. So the point number one is clear, that USDJPY is an uptrend, therefore we should mainly look for buying opportunities, isn't it? So now comes the second important point, that is finding out the area of value. Area of value is nothing but the best trading spot, or the place where we get the best price in an uptrend. In an uptrend market, the best trading price or the best price is always available at the support, whereas in a downtrend market you get the best selling opportunity, or you get the best price at the resistance. In this market you'll get the best price at the support. So considering the trend of the market, okay, considering the trend of the market, then you can see that I do not have any proper support here drawn on a chart, because honestly speaking, USDJPY has been so bullish that we do not have any proper strong support here on the market. So this is the main problem with USDJPY. Okay, that we do not have any proper strong support, because see, it takes time. Yes, it takes time to build a proper support, and USDJPY is so strong that it didn't give time the market to build up a support. But we have a Fibonacci level here. Yes, Fibonacci has been acting quite well. If you have watched my previous videos on USDJPY, then you know it very well that Fibonacci levels are working greatly on USDJPY. So you can see that here at 111.55 level, we have the Fibonacci retracement level of 23.6%. So this level is an important support for the market. So what should be a strategy then? On Monday, let the market open. So if market comes down on Monday, or if you see market coming down on Monday, then wait for the market to come and hit the level of 111.55. yes, my dear friend, you'll have to wait for all these level, okay, all these to come down and hit this level, because see, in the middle we do not have any proper support here. So if you buy in the middle, if you sell in the middle, then that will be a big problem for us, because see, if you buy in the middle or sell in the middle, it will be a 50-50 chance. It will be a 50-50 chance. And as I always say, try to be a trader, not a gambler. If you do not have the patience, if you want to buy or sell in the middle, go for it. But keep in mind that at that particular point of time, you will not be trading, you will be gambling. Okay, therefore do not trade in the middle, let the market open. So after the market opening, if you find market coming down and reaching this particular level, then just observe the price and see. If you see market bouncing from 111.55 level, then you can go for buy. Yes, you can go for buy if market bounces. That is your first trading opportunity. Okay, and on the other hand, you can see that I have also mentioned weekly resistance at 112.40. yes, if we go to the weekly chart here, then we can see that market has a resistance at 112.40 level. Okay, so This is our second trading opportunity, but here we are compromising, or we can compromise with our area of value or the trend of the market. Why? Because this is a level from the weekly chart, because generally we see that the support and resistance level from the weekly chart are extremely powerful. In the case of USDJPY only, we have seen that 109.75 was a very crucial level for the last 4 to 5 months. So again we are encountering with another weekly level of 112.40 on USDJPY. So if there is a good selling, or if you find market unable to cross the level of 112.40, then you can short the market. Yes, you can short the market. Just keep in mind that market is reversing well. It means that if you see a shooting star kind of a pattern, if you see a bearish engulfing pattern at the resistance, then only short the market. Otherwise, do not short the market. Listen to me carefully. This is a weekly resistance level. That's why we are going against the trend, or we can try to go against the trend. If market reverses, okay, if market reverses, then only. And just keep in mind, always use proper stop loss. Your stop loss will be above this level. So if market reverses in the form of a shooting star pattern, bearish engulfing pattern at the 112.40 level, then you can short the market. Just keep in mind, always use stop loss and do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital. That is your second trading opportunity. And your third trading opportunity is, if market breaks the level, okay, if market breaks the weekly resistance level of 112.40, then observe the market, observe the price for 4 to 6 hours or 4 to 8 hours at least. And if you see that market is trading comfortably after 8 hours, then you will get the confirmation that 112.40 is the new support for the market. Yes, it will be the new support for the market. Then you can go for buy, because this will be the new support and this will be our new area of value as well. And if we look at the Forex sentiment meter here, you will find it on my website abhilashhazarika.com. So the Forex sentiment meter, you can see that 84% retail traders have taken short position and only 15% retail traders have taken long position. So 84% retail traders are in huge loss right now, and we know it very well that more than 90% retail traders lose money. Why they lose money? Because they fail to follow the trend of the market. This is the trend of the market and traders have taken short position. So do not make the same mistake, my dear friends. So your first trading opportunity is, if market comes down, retraces, buy at 111.55. This is your first trading opportunity. If market reverses from the weekly resistance, you can go for buy. Sorry, you can go for sell or short the market at the weekly resistance. If market reverses well, yes, confirmation is important. Third is, if market breaks out, or if market starts trading above 112.40, you can go for a buy above this, because you will be getting the confirmation that this is the new support for the market. Okay, so these are the trading opportunities for us in the USDJPY. And my dear friends, this is Pro Trader program. I have launched it last month, where I share the best trading opportunities on the market. If you are interested in knowing more about it, just go to my website abhilashhazarika.com. Under Pro Trader section, you'll find all the information why you should become a part of the Pro Trader group. Bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow.